Here we go. Oh. Come here, come here. There you go. Oh, he's gone. It's probably gonna be better for him though in the long run. Oh,